The Mandarin Champions. I'm just starting a new project in Modesto, California, a DDMRP project for sure. And I want to show you something. Can I present you David? Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Very good. I had such a great surprise when getting into your office. What do you have over there? Can you tell us?
Well, Laurent, I have quite a few books here that I've been studying over the last several years. A lot of lean books and the goal and factory physics, operations science, and then all the demand-driven performance books. And I'm pretty excited to jump into this project because the whole DDMRP philosophy seems to be bringing together all those concepts into a common platform. So really looking forward to that.
Wow, that's amazing. That's a good start for this project, and when you've got this kind of champion inside. So what would we say to every people when we implement DDMRP buffers?
Well,
Stop managing chaos!